In this video, I'll show you how to access version history on Google Docs step by step. Step 1. Open your Google Doc. Go to docs.google.com and open the document you want to check. Step 2. Click on File in the top menu. From there, click on Version History and then See Version History. Step 4. Browse through the versions. A panel will open on the right showing all saved edits by date, time, and editor. Step 5. Preview changes. Click any version to see what was added, removed, or modified. Different users' edits are highlighted in different colors. Step 6. Restore if needed. If you want to roll back, just click Restore this version and your document will revert instantly. And that's it. With version history on Google Docs, you can easily track edits, review old drafts, and restore content whenever you need it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.